Most people say these sentences wrong. Fix these small mistakes and sound more confident in English. Let's begin. Don't say I am very happy. Say I'm really pleased. Example, I'm really pleased with the results. Don't say I am very tired. Say I'm exhausted. Example, I'm exhausted after work. Don't say I am very sad. Say I'm feeling down. Example, I'm feeling down today.
Don't say I am very angry. Say I'm frustrated. Example, I'm frustrated with this delay.
Don't say I am very scared. Say I'm a bit nervous. Example, I'm a bit nervous about the interview. You're already improving. Keep going. Don't say I am very hungry. Say I'm starving. Example, I'm starving, let's eat. Don't say I am very busy. Say I'm swamped. Example, I'm swamped with work today. Don't say I am very surprised. Say I'm amazed. Example, I'm amazed by your work. Don't say I am very confused. Say I'm puzzled. Example, I'm puzzled by this question. Don't say I am very bored. Say I'm uninterested. Example, I'm uninterested in this topic. You're already improving. Keep going. Don't say I am very excited. Say I'm thrilled. Example, I'm thrilled to be here. Don't say I am very worried. Say I'm concerned. Example, I'm concerned about the results. Don't say I am very good. Say I'm quite skilled. Example, I'm quite skilled at this. Don't say I am very bad. Say I'm not very good at it. Example, I'm not very good at math. Don't say I am very lucky. Say I'm fortunate. Example, I'm fortunate to have this job. You're already improving. Keep going. Don't say I am very strong. Say I'm quite strong. Example, I'm quite strong for my age.
Don't say I am very weak. Say I'm not very strong. Example, I'm not very strong yet.
Don't say I am very smart. Say I'm pretty sharp. Example, I'm pretty sharp when focused. Don't say I am very fast. Say I'm quick. Example, I'm quick at learning. Don't say I am very slow. Say I take my time. Example, I take my time to understand. Start using these sentences today. Speak a little better every day, and you will become confident. Subscribe to improve your English daily.